In this video, I'll guide you through how to get Capital One checking account statements online. Whether you're keeping track of your finances or need a statement for record keeping, accessing your account statements online is both convenient and efficient. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to sign in to your Capital One account. You can do this through the Capital One website or their mobile app. If you're using the website, head over to the official Capital One homepage and enter your login credentials. If you're on the mobile app, just open it up and sign in as you usually would. It's important to ensure that your login information is secure and that you're using a trusted device, especially if you're accessing sensitive financial information. Once you're logged in, the next step is to select your checking account from the dashboard. Your dashboard is essentially the control center of your account, displaying all your active accounts with Capital One. Simply click on your checking account to proceed to the next step. After selecting your checking account, navigate to the Statements section. This section is where all your past and current statements are stored. It's designed to be user-friendly, so you should have no trouble finding it. On the mobile app, you might find this under a menu icon or tab specifically labeled for statements or documents. From here, you'll want to choose the specific statement you wish to view or download. These statements are typically organized by date, allowing you to easily find the one you need. If you want to keep a copy for your records, you can download the statement as a PDF. This format is ideal for printing or storing digitally on your device. Additionally, Capital One offers the option to enroll in paperless statements. By choosing paperless, you'll receive and access your statements electronically anytime, which is not only environmentally friendly but also reduces clutter and the risk of losing important documents. Plus, you'll get notifications as soon as your new statement is available. And that's it, y'all. That's how you get your Capital One checking account statements online. It's a straightforward process designed to save you time and make managing your finances easier. By accessing your statements online, you ensure that you have immediate and secure access to your financial information whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in simplifying your banking tasks.